I'm Kevin O'Donnell in downtown Tampa with WTVT Fox 13, and these are the worst conditions we have seen so far. Winds are just whipping like crazy. These have to be hurricane-level strength winds, and we're lucky that we are next to the convention center in downtown Tampa, so we are protected from this. The dangerous winds that are blowing right now. I've never seen anything like this, never been in conditions like this, and we are going to have to stay at this location until things die down here, but certainly things have gotten real bad here in downtown Tampa. Kevin O'Donnell, Fox 13 News.